Today we're going to talk about 3 habits that are keeping you from success. The first habit is waiting until you feel motivation to start. Many people fall into this trap of waiting for the perfect moment or waiting until they feel like they've got it all figured out before they even begin. And this is a trap that leads to procrastination. Instead, take the first step, start the thing, and let your progress be the thing that fuels and motivates you to continue. Behavioral science shows that action creates momentum faster than overthinking creates clarity. Progress creates motivation more reliably than motivation creates progress. In fact, psychological research has consistently linked perfectionism to procrastination, meaning the pursuit of perfect action often delays the very progress that creates success. The second thing is saying I can't. When you tell yourself, whether internally or out loud, that I can't, you are truly programming yourself for failure. The words that we say carry an extreme weight in the things that we believe. The more we say something, the more we believe it. And the thoughts, the things we really believe, frame our entire reality. These words can be incredibly limiting and lead to self-doubt. We inherently function from the things that we truly believe, and the things that we tell ourselves not only are the things we believe, they reinforce what we believe. So if we continue to say, I can't, we're going to continue to reinforce that block in our life and keep ourselves unable to do something that we might truly want to accomplish. Instead, we need to change that to I can, and keep saying it until you believe it, and then you'll be able to do the thing that you said you could do. What you repeatedly say to yourself can strengthen either confidence or doubt neurologically. Your internal language can become your behavioral ceiling. The words people attach to themselves can shape motivation, persistence, and resilience. The final thing is allowing negative thoughts to fill your mind. Just like when you tell yourself, I can't, allowing the very thought, I can't, or any limiting thoughts of failure, thoughts of a bad outcome in the future, allowing those thoughts to have a place in your mind will create the framework from which you're able to operate in your life. So if you allow a thought to take root, it's going to show up in your speech, and it's going to show up in your habits and affect your final outcome. Thoughts influence speech. Speech reinforces belief. Belief influences action. Repeated action shapes outcomes. Science is starting to catch up with the ancient wisdom taught in the Bible. For as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. Proverbs 23, verse 7. Death and life are in the power of the tongue. Proverbs 18:21. If you want to get more details on this specific topic, you can click the link and download the PDF. Download the PDF and take charge of your life today. This PDF is going to contain a worksheet and a guide that's going to help you identify the things that have been holding you back. When you identify the thoughts you've been allowing to live in your head rent-free that have been holding you back, the negative speech that you can correct and now train yourself to say the things that you want to see manifest in your own life. First, you have to change your thoughts, you have to change your words, and then you have to take action. This guide is going to help you identify those things and help you get on the course to correcting it and taking action today. Also, like and subscribe.